If you are following my channel, you might have noticed that I'm a huge fan of Google Colab notebooks. They are free, they are powerful, and the offering from Google are quite generous. In this video, I'm going to tell you something which is quite exciting happening in Google Cloud Platform. If you are a Google Cloud Platform user, then you will be very glad to know that now you can use Colab Enterprise within your own Google account. This Colab Enterprise experience is similar to what you get in the Google Colab notebooks, which are simply Jupyter notebooks, but also with the security and other features of Google Cloud. This is now tightly integrated with Vertex AI, which is a machine learning AI platform from Google Cloud. As you might know, Google Colab has around 7 million monthly active users, which is huge. And it's a most popular cloud-based Jupyter Notebook platform out there. In this, you run it in the browser and you can execute Python code, which facilitates sharing of projects and insights and supports charts, images, HTML, LaTeX, and much more. More than 67% of Fortune 100 companies are already using it, and many of them are also using Google Cloud. So that is why when Google Colab integrates with Vertex AI and Google Cloud under the umbrella of Vertex AI, that's a huge news. Now, data scientists and analysts and machine learning experts can get up and running quickly with zero configuration required in Google Cloud because Google Colab Enterprise, which is powered by Vertex AI, is now available in Google Cloud. This Colab Enterprise provides you access to everything Vertex AI has to offer, from model garden and a range of tuning tools to flexible compute resources and machine types to data science and MLOps tooling. Another use case which I'm quite fascinated about is that you can now integrate Google Colab with BigQuery. The way it could work is that you would simply enable user to start a notebook in BigQuery to explore and prepare data, then open the same notebook in Vertex AI to continue their work with specialized AI infrastructure and tooling. And then the teams can directly access data wherever they are working with the ability to share notebooks across team members and environments. That is how this Colab enterprise can effectively eliminate the boundaries between data and AI workloads. Also, note that this Colab Enterprise is not a free option, but if you're already using Google Cloud, the price is minimal and you would see the advantages far outweigh the pricing. I hope that you're as excited as I am for this new development. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to practically integrate and use this Colab Enterprise with the BigQuery. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.